Following on from the gym development survey that we put out to our members in September 2025, really pleased to say that over the course of the last couple of months we have started those developments across our estate, and the first one that's been completed is here at the hub in Llanrwst. Within the gym, we've brought the colour scheme in line with our brand. We've also done the flooring, and then there's been an addition of new equipment. Most prominently, the introduction of 2 lifting platforms, which are from Watson. We have Watson in Llandudno Junction and in Colwyn, so it was important for us for brand consistency that we also introduced them here in Llanrwst. As part of the developments, we haven't removed any equipment, we've merely added to it. This allows us to continue to provide sessions for all levels. We still regularly run exercise referral sessions out of our gyms, as well as community-based exercise groups. Our fully qualified gym instructors and team are on hand to provide help and guidance for anybody who needs it, meaning we feel that we cater for all levels and abilities. As well as the gym, we've also done developments to the studio. Again, that's been bringing it in line with the brand in terms of the colour scheme. The flooring's been done, there's a track now in place, and that's allowed us to look in the future that we will be adding additional classes. High rocks classes will be added alongside the existing group exercise programme that we have here. Additionally, within Llanrwst, we've also adapted and improved the Dyffryn Conwy site. There is now the designated cardio room, and the weights room has been reconfigured, so it's much more easier to get around for our members, and we've also added additional Watson lifting platforms within that site as well. Feedback we have received so far from our members has been extremely positive and highlights the fact that we continue to invest in our facilities to provide the best possible member experience. As mentioned, this was the first of the developments, and we will be updating you over the coming weeks and months as the other ones are completed.